do that for a snack. Normally, he would walk on two legs and you want to either touch the female or live big and tough. Alright, can you walk for me? Ready? Let's walk, okay? Come on. Let's walk. There's lettuce, celery, sweet potatoes, carrots, green beans, and a couple of grapes. A lot of people think gorillas are mean and aggressive, but really they're quite shy and they love privacy. Very few people work with King because it involves a long bonding process. Once he does trust you, he's very sweet and very loyal. Are there any questions?
It doesn't like take a picture and share it. Wow, 30 years?
We've had another female with him for quite a while, but she wouldn't mate with him, so now we're trying to find another companion.
He's wanting me to get slow. He's drowning in the water.
He had a really hard time with the rock. He got the back after a month or so, though. He's happy. Actually, we rescued him from the circus and we got him. Sorry, he's on the invested diet. He can only have a certain amount of each food. Thank you.
Back up.
Like it?
Fine?
You like it?
Yeah.
What one?